I think I'm going to gift you something later.
Yeah, okay, yeah. It's live now, so
Yeah, later.
yeah, so yeah, hello. Yeah, hello everyone watching the stream. Yeah, today I'm going to
Hello, good
be
evening.
yeah, yeah, hello. Yeah, today I'm going to be yeah, actually coding here, so yeah, hooray for that, I guess. But yeah, I'll be coding today, and today we yeah, there's a special guest here. Yeah, someone who has yeah, someone who apparently has been cursed into a ribbon. Hello, Ame.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Sorry, I must almost say welcome.
Yeah,
Sorry, but hello, everyone.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm just first into ribbon. Don't ask how. Just accept it for now.
yeah, yeah. I actually mentioned them in the last technology dive stream when discussing about operating systems, but now they're here to help us to make the application that we're making today. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me in the stream.
Thank you for having me here.
Okay, so today we'll be talking about yeah, we'll code some an application using serverless demonstration. What application is it? I'll talk about them later, but yeah, for now let's dive right into this material right here. Okay, yeah, the application is yeah the my computer is right now not really supporting this, but yeah, first of all, yeah, I'm not moving here because yeah, I'm running on Linux right now because but first of all, serverless is a misnomer. It's kind of not okay. Yeah, this should be much better. Yeah, I'm finally getting back online here, so yeah, let me bring up the present. Misnomer? It's kind of not. Oh yeah, there's a voice leak. Fun. Okay, yeah, this should be much better. Yeah, I'm finally getting back online here, so okay, okay. Yeah, let me bring up the misnomer. It's kind of not. Okay, yeah, that is definitely embarrassing there. Yeah, I'm actually checking the
Oh,
stream on my phone and then it just echoes back right to me. So yeah,
yeah.
I
That's
am
kind of good actually.
yeah. Okay, yeah. I accidentally tuned to my stream on my phone, so there's that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's continue anyway with the presentation here. So yeah, serverless actually means that yeah, you don't need to think about the server. You're only built for the computation time that your applications actually use. So yeah, no more thinking about scalability and traffic spikes, and just let your favorite provider think about it. Let your favorite provider engineers just yeah have no sleep
Yeah.
trying to breathe yeah trying to maintain the servers online. Yeah, you get your sleep. Let the engineer at your favorite provider get no sleep. Okay, that that sounds so cruel, but yeah, that is actually what the cloud enables you to do. To let you just think about your applications and just let the people dedicated to actually maintain the infrastructure on the cloud to just to maintain your application for you. Yeah. So yeah, a while ago, yeah, Ame actually approached me with an idea to make a stream overlay for Indonesian earthquake alerts.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, it's actually one of the perfect use cases for serverless technology here because of simple server-side functions, dynamically retrieve API-driven data, and it has a pretty much static front end, only dynamically fetching data from the server side. And then let's talk about the ensemble cast of the stream overlay here. Yeah, first of all, it's always going to be the data layer. Yeah, fortunately, BMKG, the Indonesian. Okay, how do I translate the title?
Met office.
Yeah.
Met office. Indonesian Met office.
Yeah. They have an API for getting the earthquake data, and it's in that URL data.bmkg.go.id. And yeah, they actually only return the latest earthquake. They don't have a notification API. And because of the nature of the API, we need a cage to ensure that the earthquake alarm does not trigger every damn time. We should only trigger the alarm for the newest earthquake only. Okay. That's why we need a cage, and that will be important for later, because the second technology we will use here is Cloudflare. Cloudflare workers. They have Cloudflare is the company with lots of data centers around the world. So yeah, by using workers, we're using that massive edge network to our advantage. I have worked with the technology for my Discord notifications, so I actually previously have a worker where when I post something on my blog, then the blog will notify via webhook to the worker, and the worker will post yet another webhook for Discord. Yeah, it previously used Cloudflare workers, but now, yeah, I just self-host it. And the most important one, it has a cache and key value store API, and also it's free. Who doesn't love free? And yeah, finally the ensemble cast here is Netlify, the hosting the actual page of the stream overlay. First, it has an integration with GitHub. You can build and deploy static pages easily and automatically. And yeah, Netlify is actually a platform with lots of functionalities, and they do have serverless functions. Yeah, Netlify functions, but I need built-in caching so that I don't anger the BMKG gods and suddenly got IP banned for stuff. And workers has a built-in key value store, perfect for caching. So yeah, that's the three technologies I'm going to use primarily on this stream: the BMKG API, Cloudflare workers, and Netlify. And now, how do the stream overlay here will actually look like? Well, I'm not a design expert, but I think I know someone who is good at design, and that person is right beside me right now. So yeah, Ame, please take it away. I'm going to switch this to their presentation about the stream overlay layout. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, before you actually move it, let me actually prepare it because I turn it off.
Yeah, please turn it on back. Yeah, I'll be.
Just wait a minute. There you go. You should be able to. It's there. What?
Yeah. Okay. This is not perfect because unfortunately, a bit unfortunate that the actual stream here, I don't know how to make it absolutely full screen this one.
That part.
Okay, what?
You can actually hide the part. There's like an arrow in the middle, so you can hide it. Also, you can, yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. Okay, yeah.
There
Now there you go. Yeah. So please explain it away. I don't understand any of those stuff that you're going to talk here. I just okay. So yeah, please help explain.
All right. So hello everyone. For the a quick warning overlay. There is before I actually start the presentation, I want to tell you something a little bit first. The reason why I actually approached Damillora for this is actually because one simple reason that until now, Indonesia didn't have any kind of early earthquake warning system. They do, but most of the time it's almost delayed up to 1 to 5 minutes. And that's actually not acceptable at all in terms of to be called an early earthquake warning. So this one, what we are actually doing, is not making an early earthquake warning. We are actually making an earthquake information overlay. Because that's pretty much it is. Because we are actually giving information after the earthquake is already happening. Unfortunately, we don't have any means to actually access the data mesh of the seismograph, where we can actually apply our own AI to actually manage and understand where it will actually earthquake and whether it's actually going to be a big earthquake or not. But it is what it is. We only have to deal with the data that is available in public, and we are going to use it as good as we could, right? So now I can start the presentation about the earthquake warning. So here's the concept. Actually, I actually just made the presentation like 1 hour ago. So pardon me that it doesn't look as good as the Damilora's presentation. Okay, so the design preference itself for the early earthquake warning, I was taking early earthquake warnings references from NHK, Nihon Hosho Hyokai, which already have early earthquake warning system in Japan, which is actually the best pretty much in the world because they actually have almost accurate early earthquake warning system in there. So here's the example of the early earthquake warning, which is in Japan is actually called Kinkyu Jisin Sokuo. And this is actually happened. I forgot when it was, but this is actually one of the example in there. So from there we can see the we can see the anatomy of the warning itself. So there is number one is the map of the epicenter infected area, and the second is the affected area, and then the number three is warning titles and short info on location of action, things like that. We are not going to do that in here. We are going to only take the affected area, and because we already know the magnitude and the depth of the earthquake, we are also going to show that too. So we are not going to make this, and the reason why is here. We are not going to make auto-generated map because the budget is just not there. Alright, because the infrastructure itself is going to be a little bit more pricier because we have to also deal with maps, making the maps actually factor and making it easy for a computer to automatically generate it. In a nutshell, the budget is not there. That's all, right?
Okay,
and
yeah.
Also,
Okay, so actually, yeah, BMKG's API does provide a shock map data, but it is way too ugly and technical to be used here. So yeah, we're not using the map.
We can actually show the shake map, but I'm not going to show a shake map because it really doesn't really matter because it just show the same as the affected area. And also, Indonesia actually uses two kinds of scale, Richter and length scaling, which is a bit confusing for me. So we are going to show both actually. So for Richter scale is going to be the magnitude, but there's also Manstelli scale for each of the cities or the affected areas. And also you can see if I'm going to show you again in the Japan, city and town names is actually more than like, I don't know, 2 or 3 characters long, right? In Indonesia, we can almost get 10 or 12. So we cannot actually make it like as small as in Japanese because of that. So Indonesian city name can be long. And in NHK one, as I said earlier, because it's actually an early earthquake warning, it does not show magnitude and depth because they don't know pretty much. So as the NHK was meant to be the warning, which we don't have any warning, we literally have to shake and see what's actually happening. So yeah, we are discarding most of it and adding something else in there. So we are discarding the maps, but we are adding magnitude, depth, and the epicenter location as a text rather than as a graphics. Just as the said earlier, that the shake map is too technical, we didn't actually going to do it. So that's why I keep pressing the wrong button. Sorry. So before we're actually going to show you the concept, there's actually two kind of layout. Right? We can actually use the first kind of layout.
Okay, yeah. It seems that the voice fit is not really going really pretty here. Yeah, are you okay, Ame? Okay, the voice fit is not going smoothly in
Oh
here.
wait.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Please test.
I
Yes.
think I'm fine. Like
Yeah, but it's
I'm
just
just going to make sure and check this part. Oh, my connection gone down. That's why. My voice still misunderstood.
yeah, it's somewhat still audible, but yeah, it
Hello.
that that last time is a particularly ugly chop right there. So
Oh
yeah,
no.
okay, yeah, please do continue now.
Oh dear. Wait. I think that's because I'm actually also watching the stream on YouTube. My connection is not good, lads. It never was.
Yeah, okay, okay,
How about now? Does it look seems better?
yeah,
Doesn't
it's
seem to be better to be honest.
yeah,
Looking at
it's kind of better now, but yeah, please do continue.
hello. S.
Yep.
So
Okay,
is everything?
it's in. It's in.
The audio seems to be better, I suppose, because it got green. Okay, wait. Let me just check, make sure. Okay, the pink, the Discord shows its screen, so hopefully it was. Um, did my voice come in though? Hello?
Okay, yeah, working well.
Okay, well. Yeah, technical difficulties is everywhere, man. Let's just get ready for it. So yeah, there is two kind of layout that I'm going to actually try to use. First one is compact floating one. Most of television warning will take this form in most countries, except for the Canada and US. And I'm going to explain it the reason later on. And then the other one is actually screen wide sliding. So there will be animation of sliding down. But it's uncommon on television because it works best for streamers as it gives more space without disturbing the content that they are actually showing. But considering that, as earlier we said, innovation city name can be long, which is a problem in there in on itself. That's why I decided to just use the screen wide settings because it's big enough to contain all the information without covering the whole screen. Like in the US emergency warning system or EAS is actually turning everything to black and showing like just a few text on the screen, which is really scary and eerie actually. But if you're used to be in the US and things like that, you will probably get used to it. Alert Ready Canada actually use like running text in the middle, showing with a red background. That one is less scary, but actually not standardized. So in a few cities like Toronto and Vancouver, they actually have the ribbon running text kind of thing. In Alberta, they actually have the same full screen like EAS, but actually with the red background. So yeah, it's actually depending which place you are. And even the EAS itself in the US also, they don't have any standard. But we are going to go with the floating. It's still floating, but it's actually just like a screen wide on the top of the screen. It's easier to implement and code. That's one of them. And then it's actually still big enough to contain all the information. So the concept or the prototyping is like this. I just made it like, I don't know, maybe like few hours or so. Since I was playing around with the first one, the floating ones, but then I decided to just try again with the prototype in here. So as you can see, the black and white version. Wait, I think I can annotate it. So okay. Here we go. Can we use red? Thank you. Okay. So this one is actually pretty much the same. Oh, I need to turn it on. So it's actually just the same. So M is for magnitude, D is for depth. Epicenter position info is going to be here for the pusat gempa berada di laut 41 km bagian daya Seluna. It's actually epicenter position info. And then the affected region is the small text in the bottom. As you can see there, here, it's actually the small, the one that I actually put red circle in there. The Gomawi numbers is actually axially 11. So we have actually this one is actually Richter. And this one is actually axially. So we have two kind of scale here, which is actually a bit confusing, but well, that's the standard. So we are going to just go with it. Now, colors, visibility, and etc. is actually important for this because we are going to show an important information. If it's not visible, what's the point of it? So in here, we are going to use WCAG compliant colors. So web content accessibility guide, which is a guideline for pretty much making sure that text is visible on your phone, on your screen, on your tablet, pretty much on all of your digital web content devices. And the blue is most common for this kind of warning, and also most friendly looking color. I have no idea why did everyone try to use red and orange for warning, because they actually, that two kind of colors actually makes people fear and anger, and they are actually usually make you scared. So I have no idea why they're actually using that. So I'm here, rather than using that, I'm going to just use blue, making sure it's actually sensitive to increase visibility. So I'm probably going to use Tahoma or OpenSense because they're already installed in every system, no matter if it's Windows, macOS 11, macOS XI, or Linux, depending on what system you are running. Now, sounds and motion. This one is a little bit something. So I was talking with Dummy about the warning sounds, right? And I was about to just use it because it's available on YouTube. I can just download it and cut it pretty much, and use just that part of the warning sound. But then Dummy actually do a bit deeper of research in there. As it turns out, we are not allowed to just use NHK's warning sound. Actually, the first reason why I actually use the NHK warning sound is because it's already much well known and familiar to everyone. When you hear like bling ding ding ding, kinki soku, shugone shite kudasai. You already know that there's an earthquake happening somewhere, right? But as it turns out, we have to sign a waiver for it, which is actually makes sense due to the nature of this sound. It's a warning. You shouldn't actually just use it for jokes and giggles, right?
Yeah, and I also want to add that the NHK sound is pretty much it's in public memory now, especially because of the Great Eastern Japanese earthquake in 2011. So yeah, it's probably not wise to just use this sound willy-nilly because it can be literally triggering. So yeah.
Yeah, because NHK warning sound is actually used in the actually pretty much until now. NHK is using that. Actually, for tsunami warning, I actually have a little fun fact. Right now, in Japan, if there is a tsunami warning, the announcer actually has to say that the person who watching it has to save themselves first, rather than helping someone. Because most of the survivor in the Great East Japan earthquake is actually they are saving themselves first and then helping others pretty much. So right now they actually have to say, "Inochi wa mamago tame minasugu negete kudasai." So like save your souls first and keep imasugu negete kudasai. please run away right away. And also about the sounds again, we actually have to pay 3,000 yen or around $30 to use it. Well, if we don't have the budget to actually make the shake map actually feasible and understandable, we are too broke to pay this. But fortunately though, both me and Dami actually are already running Windows 11 right now. And if you know about Windows 11, they actually have a new kind of sound library that is calming. So it's not going to be alerting, but it's actually pretty much like it alerts you enough, but not freak you out. One thing about Indonesia is actually they're really easy to freak out. We are really easy to panic, and that's actually understandable because I've been living in East Java for almost half of my life, so I know very well that how easily we are getting panicked. But well, it's what it is. So we're trying to make it as calm as possible and as not disruptive as possible. So, well, I'm using the Windows 11 sound library to make this pretty much. So I'm just putting the notification sound into Ableton and then it into warning sounds. I'm going to play it when I play the after the prototype. Also going to extract the animation in courtesy of CS3 because we just could. Why not, right? So now I'm going to show you the After Effects prototype. So I'm going to minimize this right now. There you go. You already see this. You already see the folder. So here's the demo. Dami, before I actually play, did you put the volume in high on this my screen share?
Yeah, it is the highest volume possible on Discord screen share, so yeah.
Okay, so hopefully the audio will pull through. Wait. So let's say you are streaming right now because you are a streamer. You are a streamer right now, and then suddenly there is a warning showing up. So that's the sound that you will hear. And then you can actually, you don't have to, but I'm actually having, probably going to have this kind of screen later. So there is like an earthquake bulletin showing the BMKG. This is the web page that I'm going to post here. So this is the web page that I was trying to use as the base for the early warning. But as it turns out, Dami actually found the Met Office or BMKG's API for earthquake warning. So this is I'm going to show to show that what's actually happening in here. So like this one, there's actually happening an earthquake in Ambon with magnitude of 5.2 Richter scale. That's going to be shown. It will be your choice. You can actually read it out or you just show it on stream. I'm probably going to show it on stream like this. So and then after you finish showing it, you can actually just go back to your stream and continue on because you know it's just information. Even though it's just information, I do think it's actually a very important thing to know because you know it can save lives, even if it's just a little bit, even if it's just 1% of the survivor, it still is saving lives. And that's pretty much it actually about this warning system. And I'm going to replay it again for the sake of you who actually want to hear the.
Oh yeah, okay, for some reason the sound does not come. Yeah, the sound actually does not come. It's probably because of you using display share.
Mm-hmm.
And display sharing does not work. Yeah, does not have sound.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You have to Windows share to actually have sound in the display. So yeah.
Windows 11 doesn't actually have the the system display is actually going to work. So I'm going to send you the MP4 so you can play it there, I suppose. Well, let's pretend for it because that's a prototype pretty much actually. I'm using After Effects to make that. Oh,
oh yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. My Discord is yeah. Okay. Yeah. I actually closed the Discord chat. So yeah. Okay. I'm trying to. Okay, there's the MP4. I'm trying to move it to here. Yeah, fortunately, I actually upgraded my internet literally days before I debuted. So yeah, it's like
Nice.
yeah, it's much better now, and I'm having like the upload speed is actually crazy, like 80 to 90 Mbps.
Nice. That's already great to do.
Okay, yeah, there is that. There is that.
So I'm probably delayed from yours right now, but that's the warning.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, that should be the warning there. Okay, and then it will display the yeah. Yeah, this is the concept from Ame here. I don't know if it is possible to implement this. Yeah. Or actually to actually implement this, because yeah. It might be possible, but for now we are only focusing on the stream overlay itself, and the additional features can come later.
Yeah. Oh, actually, the goals actually made on OBS, not actually like the overlay is not going to do that. So here's what actually happening in here. I'm actually making the layout for so when there is an earthquake, I actually have a scene for the earthquake bulletin itself where I will actually read the information, or I'm going to have that as a placeholder before I moving it to the BMW website. So it's actually not in the overlay itself. It's actually on OBS setup instead.
Oh, okay, yeah, no, that is okay, yeah, understandable. Since you know this, yeah, the streamer of course has to be aware of the, oh, just not suddenly switch the scene to the, yeah, suddenly switch the scene to the earthquake one, but yeah.
No, that's not what I mean. It's actually like they actually have to like they don't have to actually do it because the information is still visible in there and they don't actually have to do anything. They should like, oh, there's an earthquake happening in here. That's all. It's actually they just need to acknowledge that. We don't need to. They don't need to actually like say or have like their own scene for doing this. So no, we are not trying to achieve something that doesn't actually in it. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So yeah, now that we know the how it will be coded and how the stream overlay will look like, yeah, we can start working on the we can actually start working on the live coding right now. So yeah.
Yay!
Okay, first let me actually figure out how to switch this. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's put the theory into practice now. So yeah, I am returning to the I'm going to the console. Yeah, the Linux console is a wonderful thing.
Wait a minute, you are coding in console?
Of course not, but it's required for some of the early steps because I need to use a command line tool.
Oh. I'm not surprised that you are actually going to put in console. Man, you are such a
I am
but no, yeah.
Yeah, I am not. Yeah, yeah. Okay, what is the term like? I am not brave enough to just code in Nano. Although I do use Nano occasionally for editing configuration files, but I am not going to use Nano for editing code.
Well, that will be a bit extreme, I suppose. The editing was in Nano.
Yeah, that will be a bit extreme. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm making a. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, I forgot to reset that. And that might be actually information leak like there, but I'm just going to reset it right there and pretend it does not happen.
Yeah. You guys didn't see anything.
You guys did not see, yeah. Well, you can rewind and see that, but yeah.
Yeah. You guys just pretend that didn't happen. Never happened.
I actually do have an information leak while in the last Idly Pride stream, thanks to my phone just being whacked, but yeah. I'm the type to just put it on air and just, Okay, yeah. So
Well, it
yeah,
happens.
la- I don't really, yeah, I don't really treat my, yeah, I don't really treat my computer here as really like private information here. So yeah, but that's I digress there. So yeah, let's actually start coding the first. Let's code the, uh, yeah, the Cloudflare worker. So first I'll be making a directory here. And then I will be making a new Cloudflare workers project. So let's call it, yeah. Since this is two parts, the back end and front end, I'll be making making a project for the Cloudflare worker first. The command line tool to make a Cloudflare worker project is called the Wrangler. Yeah, before you do this, please log in first. Yeah, please log in first, and I do actually have this login, so yeah, I can just, yeah, I can just terminate it and then create a new project like that. Okay, yeah, that. Ouch! Yeah, ouch! Information leak. Damn.
Oh no.
Yeah. Thank you, Cloudflare worker, but yeah.
Oh no. Oh my god, that account ID is there. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
This is probably not supposed to be streamed, but I'm doing it anyway. Yeah. I'm brave in this regard, but yeah.
It felt like here's the thing. It felt like when I was making video about Windows 10 there because I showing my email there, like my actual email for everything, and then it's like, you know what, you can spam it, but don't spam it. This is not more severe though.
Yeah, but yeah, my email address is actually, yeah, interesting in its own regard because, yeah, as you can see, the email address is on a tilt. Yeah, that is actually a very interesting topic that I will talk about in another time. But right now, let's focus on coding. Any film and Emacs in, okay. Yeah, so yeah, my chat just said this. Yeah, any film and Emacs enjoyer in the chat, and
I'm
yeah.
not using. I haven't used Film. I actually haven't used Film and Emacs, but I think I actually just used Film when I was in Ubuntu. Been ages though.
Yeah. How do I exit film? Yeah, that's a popular meme. Computer meme right there. Yeah. Even like, yeah. I still remember the famous Stack Overflow post of, you know, the 1 million people trying to exit film there. That post.
No one knows how to exit Film.
Like helping 1 million people exit film. That is a meme right there. And Emacs, it's an operating system disguised as an editor. Like,
Yeah. Emacs is actually an OS in its, isn't it?
Emacs is an operating system disguised as a text editor. So there's that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm going to find the zone ID like outside here. Okay, and then probably put it out. Yeah, okay, you can see my glorious wallpaper of Mitsumine Yuika here. Okay, typing out the zone ID here. Yeah, at least that's one way to not get hacked right there. My account ID is now visible, but at least my zone ID does not appear. But yeah, thank you Cloudflare for just showing that. I am actually going to test publishing first to make sure I'm doing right. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's published now, so yeah, it actually works. Let's reset. And we'll get back. Okay, we'll get back right here, and then let's run VS Code now to actually code stuff. Okay, yes, and from now on, I'll be just talking on the stream because it's pretty hard to type with while pressing the push to talk button here. I can just use voice activity, but then if I talk to the stream, it will appear in here, and I don't want that. So yeah, Ame, please understand.
Yeah, it's alright.
Okay, yeah.
By the way, should I zip the HTML to you for the front end?
Okay, it's alright, but yeah, I will take a look later. But yeah, please do send.
Oh wait, I was about to say because it was actually just a front end with some dummy information in it. So because I'm going to be honest to everyone here. I have no idea how to code at all. But
Yeah.
I do actually understand HTML and CSS because I was back then when I was in high school and college. I actually have to make like static web page for them. So I'm using what I actually pretty much W3 school and whatever that is actually exists in here. And then, well, right now there's actually a lot of things that actually able to help you to make the front end pretty much, even if you actually just know basic HTML and CSS, which is quite fortunate. However, I still don't understand how to use JavaScript, so I think I'm going to refer dummy to how to actually use it.
Yeah, yeah. Let me handle the actual JavaScript stuff to fetch the data here. So yeah, first of all, let's look at the backend right here. Yeah, this is a basic Cloudflare worker stuff, and yeah, it is actually modeled after the service worker API. So that's neat. But first of all, yeah, we will need a scheduled task to so that we can. Okay. Oh, ouch! There. Why are you opening there? Why are you opening the browser there? Yeah.
Oh.
Ouch. So yeah, let's. First of all, I'm going to be browsing the documentation as I do here, but yeah, it's okay to look at documentation while you're coding in real life, okay? Because this is not.
No.
Yeah.
You have to actually watch the documentation while coding, or else you'll actually do everything wrong. And I learned that the hard way. That's why I have been opening W3 school all the time. So yeah, please keep documentation in hand. Please don't hurt yourself.
Okay, yeah. First of all, we are going to catch the actual BMKG data because the thing is, yeah, I don't want to anger the BMKG gods, so let's schedule. Yeah. The way this will work is that I will have a cron trigger that will run every 30 seconds for granularity, and then wait, yeah. I actually read the documentation before, and actually the maximum amount of the minimum interval is like 1 minute because of how key value works, and yeah, unless we implement our own expiration mechanism, it's pretty hard. But yeah, let's implement our own cache mechanism with the key value store here. Yeah, first of all, let's add the event listener there for the scheduled event. So yeah, like this, and then let's create a asynchronous function in here. and then we respond with the handle schedule function that we made below the asynchronous function, and then just pass the event. Okay, yeah. Now we have to create a KV namespace to actually use the KV. So yeah, let's call Wrangler again. Let's create a namespace. Let's call it, yeah, Steam or BMKG right here. Okay, yeah, and then I will need to add this to the configuration. So I will be moving off the console here so that I don't have an information leak like that last time. And then yeah, I can actually access here by just, yeah, just doing like this. We'll just save the namespace here. Okay, yeah, and then okay, then what I will do is that I will basically make an API request to BMKG, the BMKG data, yeah, here. So let's actually browse the BMKG data. Okay, yeah. So yeah, data gempa bumi terbuka BMKG. So this is the data that we will be using for the BMKG API here. So yeah. So what we will need here is this autogempa.json. This is the endpoint that we will need to access the BMKG earthquake data. So let's click right there. So yeah, we got this. Take note of the structure. This is, yeah, this will be the data that we will access. So yeah, copy the URL right here. Also, I kind of hate how this potency here is a string. Why is it a string? Just why? Okay. Okay, let's go to the worker here. Let's store the, yeah. Let's store the BMKG API URL here. Oh, okay, I kind of forgot to quote that. So let's quote that. And then let's fetch the data using, okay, remember that this is an asynchronous method, so we must use await here. Okay, this actually, we need response here. And then since the result will be JSON, let's await response dot JSON right here. So yeah, we get the response in JSON data, and then let's get the information here according to the JSON file that we just found. So yeah, we need to access this property and then this property. And then after that, we will need to store the value in the, yeah, we will need to store the key, the info here in the, yeah, key, yeah, in the key value store. Okay, let's put the latest Okay, so I think I will need to actually just, yeah, encode the string here because thank you. Yeah, the KV only supports strings, so we will just encode the insides of info gempa and dot gempa. And then let's put this in a new key. And then let's put, yeah, this will only happen. Yeah, this will only happen in here, so yeah. The response here will not, yeah, it will not have the, yeah, it will not have any, you know, fetching from BMKG itself, so yeah. We successfully prevented the anger of the BMKG gods here. And then let's, yeah, and then we want to actually store the information of whether the earthquake is a new one or not. Okay, that probably works better in the front end, but still. Okay, yeah. We basically just put the information here. And then, yeah, let's actually do the, when handle request here. Yeah, let's actually see the handle request here. First of all, we get the data from the key value store. And then after that, we can return, I think we can return it directly here. We can directly just return the BMKG data. Okay, yeah, and that's it. Yeah, this is actually the entirety of the worker that I'm going to make a scheduled task and a request. We can add other features later on, but yeah. This is actually the entirety of the worker here. Okay, now it's time for some debugging time. Oh, it actually asks for a, yeah. Okay, okay, I'm done with the workers, but turns out trying to debug this is not, yeah, it's more complicated than I thought.
As per usual. I just check my the BMKG data website, and they actually want to credit in there. So I just adding some credit into the front end right now. Finish.
I'm trying to, yeah. Okay, yeah, I successfully put up the, yeah, I successfully turn up the dev server here. So yeah, I'll just switch to the browser to actually showcase the Cloudflare worker in place. Oh yeah, somehow a syntax error actually got through.
Oh my. Oh dear.
Okay, now it actually returns some stuff, and then I actually have to set up a cron trigger to actually have this work. And oh yeah, cron also only supports every minute, unless there is unless we can have a cron that is more specific than a minute, we actually cannot do anything. The maximum here is it has to be a minute, because thanks to how the cron works, I have to we need to find something that can trigger every 30 seconds.
I mean, 1 minute is still. If the 1 minute is limited, it's alright, to be honest, because as long as it's as fast as possible, we don't have to actually like. Well, it's actually 1 minute actually not acceptable, to be honest, but at least it works. At this point, I think we.
At least it works first. Yeah. I'm going to look more into the other technologies and see if there is a better fit. Okay, I managed to add another cron trigger. So yeah, let's see if the thing is actually triggered. Yeah, the cron is actually triggered, so let's see.
Oh, so that's how it works.
Okay, actually let's see if there are data on the store here, because debugging is hard, especially on a serverless thing like this, and Cloudflare doesn't actually give detailed errors, so we're on our own.
Oh dear. That's going to be really hard to actually debug.
Yeah.
We acknowledge the first one, okay.
Yeah, I might need an alternative approach here. Yeah. I definitely need an alternative approach without a cron trigger, so yeah, let's do that instead.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I just read the chat. So what's up with angering BMKG gods? Is it real or just poorly implemented red limiting? Yeah. I am afraid that they will do very rudimentary red limiting. Although because we are on Cloudflare, it is probably going to make the news instead. I don't know.
Probably.
Probably it will make the news instead. Be-
Yeah.
yeah, because we're making the request from Cloudflare, the one who has like more than 100 data centers. Yeah, it's more likely to
Yes.
get the news or something. So yeah.
Oh. Well, that's a very cunning way to actually do it. Okay.
Yeah, so let's implement a rudimentary catch function here. Okay, yeah. This is basically just comparing just reducing, just getting the difference of seconds.
Very good. Okay, I found out how to make it work. For
Nice.
the animation. The animation now works now. So yeah, we just need to deal with the JavaScript later on. How we
Yeah, I cannot believe I actually have, to search how to get total seconds in JavaScript. Nice. Yeah, I get total seconds in here. And if the total duration is actually more than 30 seconds, then we will actually get the data. So yeah, that. Okay, yeah, this is basically just me. Yeah, if the cache is not there, then if this cache has expired, yeah, let's just get the data from BMKG directly. But if not, let's get it from the cache instead. So yeah, I will not anger the BMKG gods.
yes. Oh my god, like My backspace keyboard key is broken again.
Okay, yeah. So I have, yeah, it runs without errors, but apparently, yep, I, yeah, there is no response, so let's debug that. Hooray! Yeah, they're actually returning not a number. Great.
Wait, they are returning number at the beginning?
They're actually returning not a number, so yeah, I have to just completely rethink how to compare dates.
Wait a minute. So the date time is not number? The date time is actually text? A string?
Okay, yeah, I'm actually trying to, find a date difference or something.
Uh, no way. Like, I mean, wow. BMW, what are you doing? that's that's so janky. Alright, everything seems to be
Yeah, it's because the initial date must be null. Yeah, thank you for that, but yeah, I need to actually handle null.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, still returning none. So that's weird. Okay, now that's just saying, why is suddenly my keyboard spewing Japanese while typing the code?
Maybe your keyboard suddenly goes into whip mode.
Yeah, I don't know. It just suddenly turned into the whip mode.
I think I can zip it now. Everything seems to be in AI. Can you get compress everything to zip? Boom.
Yeah, the first one returned not a number, and then but the second one actually returned something. So yeah, weird.
What are they actually doing in this? Alright, so should be there.
I actually did realize that the ISO string function does not exist in Cloudflare workers. I kind of love that.
Okay, that's
It's kind of but yeah. Okay, let's
Oh
see.
my god, I'm a doom doom. I have to edit it again. Oh. I'm a dum dum. Badan teknologi, klimatologi, dan klimatologi dan teknologi.
Okay, yeah, I kind of figured it out now. We'll just use raw date here because yeah, I don't know if they like support. Do they actually support like moment or something? I don't know.
Oh. The thing is, they said actually like it's actually using the times why ISO 601, which is what is ISO 601?
Okay, yeah, it's yeah.
Oh, so they are using it. Okay.
Okay, but it's still none anyway, so thank you for that. Okay, let me figure out how to do that. Okay, this is just now ugly. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Like Tom Scott said, yeah, dealing with dates is really hard in programming. So yeah.
Yeah. Um, that and time zone is really a nightmare to work on. Actually, honestly, are they like have some kind of already pre-made? Sorry, not pre-made. Some way to actually like. I think someone actually made code on GitHub already about comparing times or time outing.
Okay, yeah. It's actually kind of weird why it's that it's still like none.
It still returns as none.
Okay, now it actually kind of returned the actual data here, but let's try to just restart it with so that. Okay, now we. Okay, and we actually am able to. Yeah, we are actually able to just catch the data right here. So yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So with the way the worker works, probably what is going to happen is like the first time the overlay is run, the overlay will actually pop up when the overlay is first loaded.
It's going to be fine. So the streamer will actually have time to test it, you know, because they're probably going to open
If
OBS and not actually to
yeah,
start streaming anyway.
if the browser source is reloaded, yeah, it will appear again. So yeah.
Yeah, I think it's actually fine, to be honest. If it's actually going to stay active anyway, OBS.
It's because of the limitation on the or probably unless the earthquake actually happens in like the minute the Steam overlay started, then we will just ignore the first data it gets. Is that fine?
I think it should be fine.
Yeah, unless
Wait,
the earthquake
why?
literally happened when like unless the earthquake literally happens the minute the Steam overlay started, we can just ignore the display. So yeah.
Why? I think that means actually we actually need to put the entire did.
What?
Why?
Okay, that is kind of cut off a bit. So yeah, can you repeat again that?
And then we actually need to put the date in the front end, so they actually read the date too. That way, it's actually they would actually confuse why there is an earthquake every time I open OBS. Am I like actually having the power of guts of it or something?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. Inserting the date might be wise, but again, yeah, I think it can be worked around by unless the when the stream overlay started, unless the earthquake literally happens the minute the stream started, the stream overlay loaded. So yeah, we don't need to display it every startup unless it actually happened the minute the stream overlay started. So yeah, okay, so yeah, that is basically the Cloudflare worker. I'm just going to publish. Okay, yeah, it's actually not updating right now, but it should be soon. I have published it, but it has not been. Yeah, it is not online yet, but it will soon. Okay, yeah, it is online now.
mm-hmm.
So yeah, the worker is basically finished.
Okay.
Okay, let's move right into the front end. So yeah, you have sent me the zip there. So yeah, I will.
No, wait. I'm going to send you the new one, the one that actually
Oh
have
yeah.
date. I
Okay.
put the date.
Okay. Yeah. So please send the
Uh,
new one here. I will basically put it on the VS Code here.
all right. Here, in that edit one here. Okay. Just need to zip this one bit.
Yeah. Okay. I open the. Okay, yeah, I trust the authors. Yeah, Moon Tempest is actually a code name of the, the code name of the organization that I'm going to put this project under. Yeah, let's just trust it.
There you go. SAWPHD.
Yeah, this one here is okay. Yeah. Oh, with the warning too. Okay, I should extract it outside because yeah, quite sensitive data coming.
Oh no. Here we go again.
The browser will have to involve sensitive data again. So yeah, I already have my like there are some important sensitive data already exposed in my stream. So yeah, I would like to have no more of them.
Let's be careful.
Yeah, let's be careful. Yeah, but well, I'm keeping the stream public out of principle. But yeah, please don't do this.
Yeah, be careful. We are professionals. Question mark.
Question mark, yes. Okay, yeah. It's already extracted here, but let's move that out of the code folder here because for some reason it extracted there. Let's move stuff and then delete the code folder because it's not important. And then yeah. Okay, so because this is a simple application, we will not need to, use something like jQuery. We can just use vanilla JavaScript. So let's do vanilla JavaScript. First of all, because the alert will have sound, I will have to import a sound library. And the JavaScript library that I'm going to use here is actually called Howler. Howler? Yeah, okay. And why I use that is because it's because I have used it before and that's what I use for my website. Yeah, there's actually an Easter egg where there's actually a Easter egg where I actually just, there's something that can play sound in the Easter egg, so I'll keep it at that.
Oh, the one that you told me on the chat earlier today.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Keep that to yourself. Yeah. I'll just say there is an Easter egg that only happens on March 18. So please watch that date for some interesting surprises. Or I guess it's already public secret if you read the source code, but whatever. Okay, let's import the sound library we use. And also import our script. And then this is not needed. Ouch. This audio line is not needed. Let's put that out and then just save it in the let's save it in the JavaScript and then let's create the sound here. New howl. put the source here as the sound file. Yeah. Also, yeah, I will be encoding that to OGG later on because yeah, the web file is big, like extreme big. So yeah, we will actually
Yeah,
need to encode it to like empathy or OGG later on.
I think in the spirit of open source, I think we should actually go with OGG.
Yeah, I think yeah we will. Yeah, OGG seems OGG seems yeah seems like a great choice there. So yeah, we will do that later. But for debugging, let's just use the WAF here. It's local. It doesn't matter.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. Let's create a function where okay, okay. I think we need to debug this first to make sure the sound actually plays. Okay, yeah, that's the sound they're playing. So yeah, nice. Yeah, the sound actually played on startup here. So yeah. Also, yeah, I actually kind of forgot how do I trigger animations.
Oh,
You like
it should actually start when the page started. So like the animation should be triggered by CSS. So if you actually
okay,
um
yeah, I see the keyframes here. Let's oh yeah, the okay, so there's the okay, I see that you use this yeah the ID of flex container. Let's rename this and then we'll take advantage of CSS specificity there. So yeah, I'll use the flex container as a class instead of an ID, and then the ID will override the none here to the block one. So yeah, it will animate. Oh, all right. I can actually just use the anim out as the default one and then animate into yeah animate into the when triggered anim in will get there and then there's anim out.
yeah, actually because anim out is actually containing the flex container, i.e. anim in. I'm too lazy to change it to something like that. Yeah, flex container.
Okay, yeah, let's see first here.
Oh, you have to change the HTML too.
Yeah, I'm changing the HTMLs too. Yeah.
Oh my god, I got delayed so long in the stream, so yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now you have the animation like yeah. Now that we have the animation defined, okay, I will see how to trigger this programmatically. Let's see. Oh, there's actually a neat way to, you know, so that the animation will yeah, the reset here. Let's trigger the animation here with the asynchronous function. With the function actually. Okay, add the class list here to actually add the animation in and out classes. And then when the animation ends, then we can remove the classes here. So yeah, let's see if this works as intended. Nope. It actually does not work as intended there, so yeah. Actually, I have to just...
It didn't play, isn't it?
Yeah, I have to hide it first, and then when it triggers, it will just instantly go to block like that. It does not work there either. Nice. That's an ugly one. Thanks. Suddenly me pressing print screen. Oh, okay, yeah. What did... Okay, block just completely messed it up. What did you use flex? Okay. I need to note that to use flex. Okay, I'm actually just need to use a set timeout here. To actually test the functionality. Okay, the sound trigger here is actually like... Okay, I'm still actually trying to figure out how to... Okay, I'm actually trying to figure out how to add animation in... Okay, this probably did not work, but we need to... Okay, how... Okay, we need to actually set this thing. Okay, yeah, on the I don't know. On the CSS itself. So yeah, we need to do that. Okay, weird. The animation. Okay, the animation in does not actually work. Okay, that's probably just how. Okay, I forgot to actually delete the display block in there. Yeah, I'm kind of having a trouble with the actually displaying the animation here because it does not display.
Yeah. Wait, can't you just? Oh my god, I actually heard. I don't know if it's city or not.
Yeah, for
You know
some
what?
reason yeah, probably
Actually, I
probably
actually have a
yeah.
little idea. Can we actually take a refresh from a cell phone?
What? Okay,
Can we? Hmm?
I cannot hear that clearly. Please repeat that. Yeah.
Can we actually trigger a refresh from a cell phone?
Um, we can trigger a refresh from the client side, and then it will automatically like get the data, and then again, like I said, if it's the minute it's the minute the yeah it if the earthquake is happening the minute the stream overlay comes up, then it can automatically trigger the animation. But I'm trying to do how to add the animation here.
Actually, what I was thinking was, what actually we just when there's a new data arrive, can we just and there is a new if it's compared and it's actually a new data and there's an actual new earthquake happening, and then we can just trigger the page to actually refresh. So the CSS will still do all the animations, but the data will be renewed, if you know what I mean.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that is probably possible, but I'm trying to yeah have a way to a delayed one so that the and so that anim I'm trying to make anim in work.
Yeah, I mean, if there's simpler way, I suppose we should actually go with simpler way. That's why I was thinking like maybe we should actually do something like that. Well, I just trust you for this part, so yeah, go ahead.
I'm trying to just make the animation work, but it does not work here. It's okay. I'm actually trying to make changes to the animation here. Let's see if this way works. Okay, yeah, it kind of works, but okay, it kind of works, but it's actually just okay. It's actually just going funny at the moment. So yeah, let's see if the yeah. Okay, okay, it works. It works. Okay, I finally made the animation work. So yeah, joy to the people here. Yeah, we
Why?
did it.
2 minutes to do it. Okay.
Now to actually yeah put the now we put the trigger animation like okay, the set timeout will be put different here. So now we'll make the actual function that calls the yeah that calls the worker that we made here. So yeah. Okay, yeah. This one we have it async because this is an asynchronous function with yeah we have to fetch the from the worker. So yeah, let's do it as usual. Let's also have the info gempa variable here for storing the actual stuff. Let's fetch as usual the worker URL and then okay, that is definitely not okay, that is definitely not right. We forgot to await, and then let's await this one too. And then data dot okay, let's yeah, let's check the yeah, okay, yeah, let if info gempa dot okay, what is the return information here? Date, time, is not the same. Okay, yeah. Actually, let me think of the way to handle that one. Okay, yeah. First of all, we check if the we have is, you know, not null or undefined. Okay, on second thought, it might be better to just use a check like this. And then check if the date time we have is not the same as the data we get, and then we just, you know, we just trigger the animation as a test. Actually, I'm going to comment this to actually test the.
We're going to trigger the
Yeah, I will actually going to comment on
warning.
this thing just to test the. Yeah, just to test the waters here, and then I'm going to put the fetch data out there, and then put the. Yeah, I'm going to be doing it like this. Okay, access control allow origin course. Let's actually check how to course header. Yeah, we might have actually to change the worker here to course is something. And just put the localhost here. And then we need to deploy this. Okay, I'm currently trying to check the access control allow origin here. Okay, it's there. Let's put it. Okay, it actually went in, so that's nice, really nice. Let's actually populate the data. So yeah, let's have the populate data function right here. And then we need to have a look at the HTML for a while to, Okay, it will trigger every 30 seconds, so yeah. Thank you there. But I need to close that first and then just check. Okay, yeah, first of all, I prefer this to be ID because I need to actually get the data. And okay, I just want to say, Ame, how you name your classes are sometimes madly infuriating. Because the epicenter here is, my God, you name your class epicenter with ER, and then you name the paragraph inside like epicenter with RE. That's kind of madly infuriating there.
Actually keep mixing between English pronunciation and American pronunciation, so I'm terribly sorry about that.
Yeah, but just that is actually not best practice for making
No, it's
web
not.
pages. So so please keep that in mind. But I'll be renaming it here, so it should not be terribly important. Okay. I'll check this. Okay.
Hopefully only that the one that actually didn't is actually really what.
Okay, this should solve the problems here. Let's check again.
Oh, wait, doesn't that one actually go to hurtful pending then? Because I put the margin on the two part.
Okay, yeah. Okay, the formatting here is still okay, I guess. So yeah, there's that. I forgot to close the stream overlay, so I will close that. Okay, epicenter, let's get element by ID, like epicenter value. Okay, missing the E there should not be a problem. Location document get element by ID. Effect log. Okay. Const datum document get element by ID datum value. Okay, so first of all, for the magnitude, we can just put the the actual magnitude data. So put it that here, and then for the depth we can just put the depth here. So kedalaman. For the epicenter we can we can put the wilayah, and then the location we can get from the dirasakan, and then for datum we need to combine the tanggal and the jam, so it looks like this. Okay, I should not have put cons in there, but yeah, let's see if this works. Oh, okay, yeah, it's not working. Are there any errors? No?
Maybe spelling or something?
Oh no, yeah. Got a reference error, nice. I actually forgot to change that one. Location is no. Okay, oh, okay. This thing I forgot. Let's check this style sheet again to make sure that. Okay, effect log is apparently not in here, so I think I should be safe here. Undefined, 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 undefined. This is literally what happened right now. Undefined, 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 undefined. Thank you.
Oh, so just for information, when if my reaction is actually lag, it's because yeah, I'm actually lag here. So
Yeah,
yeah,
it's okay. I'm currently trying to debug this thing too, and yeah.
bloody hell, everything is goes undefined, which is what?
Kinda love it sometimes. Okay, I actually made a critical mistake. I forgot to assign the info gempa to the actual data, so that happens.
No wonder it's got undefined. Is this now?
I have not defined it yet. Oh, ouch, ouch.
Either
The
whatever.
the kilometer is just outright wrapped in below, like 10 kilometer, and then
10 kilometers. Oh, it should be flex though. So it's actually going. If it's actually going to be
okay. Oh,
up,
it just
it,
looked out of place because I forgot to uppercase the kedalaman.
oh,
So yeah, something like that. Yeah. Well, I think I can improve on the design by you uh yeah. I From the prototype I can like actually see that there are several improvements that can be made so that the actual interface here will look more similar to the prototype here, but yeah. For now it's functionally complete now. Now I just need to implement the logic of actually, triggering if there's only important
is there?
information. I mean, yeah, the important information being if the stream overlay gets the data and then the earthquake data is literally the minute, then the stream overlay will trigger. Otherwise, it does not. So yeah, let's make that. Okay, yeah. So the overlay is now already in the place where it will auto detect if the earthquake is in the if the earthquake is actually happening the minute the overlay the earthquake happens. And now I'm going to debugging it by setting my system date.
Oh dear.
Okay, yeah. Time to go to the past.
Time to go to the past. What are we, Star Trek or something?
Okay, I have changed the system time and date. Let's do this.
And how was it?
Okay, the request does not even trigger. Nice.
Does that mean? Doesn't that mean actually it? I'm not sure if that's actually it's a good thing or a bad thing.
Okay, yeah. Okay. It might be because I need to actually lock the now date. Okay, yeah. There seems to be some kind of trouble here. Let's restart the dead time setting all over again. Okay, definitely some strange things happening here because Okay, so the logging actually stops right on the date time before actually going to the if here. So yeah, kind of unfortunate.
Wait, I'm sorry, what happened?
Yeah, yeah. There's just something wrong with the debugging here, so I have to debug the debug
Oh my
section.
god. The debug section is coming. Oh no.
Yeah, okay, yes. Something is definitely wrong in here, and now I even forgot I thanks to my system time shenanigans, I even forgot how to track time here. Yeah, I forgot I changed my system time, so now I forgot what time is it now.
Oh no. Wait, isn't it auto sync though, if it's time?
I intentionally disabled the auto synchronization because
Why?
yeah, for debugging, of course.
Oh, right.
Okay, it's actually even worse. Somehow the page here is stuck in a cage somehow.
Oh no. Oh, this is going to be something that
Yeah, the cage is somehow stuck.
this is going to be that kind of code, isn't it? We are going to just after we done it, we are going to just put it there and never open it again.
Yeah, I'm trying to actually clear the. Okay, yeah. Thank you, surface worker, stray surface worker, for probably doing this. Okay, let me actually try to save that. So, okay, the window browser window is hidden here, but trust me, I'm struggling right now with the. I'm I am quickly actually going to just put my head against the wall because what actually happened here? I actually added the console in statement here, but it did not even reflect in here. What is wrong with VS Code?
What time is it? It's
Yeah.
half to 11.
Yeah, okay. It still can be done, but it does not save. VS Code does not save.
What? What? Why though?
I actually don't know as well. It does not save for some reason.
Isn't permission something or thingy? I'm not sure how VS Code works in Linux. That's why.
Yeah, serving dirty editors is taking longer than expected. Okay. Okay. This is definitely the The VS Code is definitely frick at this point. So I'm killing it without mercy.
Whoa. Oh no. You should. Oh my god, that means you have to skill all of them.
I use kill all. That's 9. The ultimate killer there.
You are not killing it, you are murdering it.
I have to. They did not even save anything.
Or no, wait, doesn't that mean all of things that we are doing earlier is?
Nope. I have the JavaScript index pretty much copied, so if it got lost, yeah, it's actually restored here for some reason.
That is questionable at its best. And scary.
Okay, it's actually returning.
Oh.
Okay, it kind of works now, so yeah.
Yeah.
Glory to the restart. Or in this case, actual just forcing the this is just forcing the
Just kill it.
Yeah, just kill it. Okay, yeah, I actually am confused at what the what is the BMKG dead format supposed to mean? Is it really UTC or is it actually actually local time? It's UTC, right?
That's UTC. UTC 0. Yeah, UTC 0.
Okay, I need to mentally calculate this one.
I think just +7 though.
Okay, yeah. I actually really hope that they really provide UTC or not Jakarta time, because if they provide Jakarta time as UTC, that is freak up really bad.
Oh wait a minute. The dead time is in UTC, but the tanggal and jam is in Jakartan time.
Are they the same? Because if they are the same, then yeah.
The dead time is in UTC. That's all. The dead time, the string that's filled with dead time is in UTC, but for the tanggal and jam field is actually in GMT 7.
Okay, yeah, that's nice detail to know. Okay, let's see. Yep, it works.
It works.
It works. Okay, let's actually test the let's actually, okay, the initial loading is test. Let's test the other one, you know, the if this loaded long enough, then the data will come. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, time for the waiting game, I guess. It is actually a test of the notification system now. Are they really getting the data regularly?
But if there is no earthquake for next few hours, then we are.
It won't trigger. It won't trigger, but only if the earthquake is happening, like the notification is in a minute. Within a minute, then it will happen.
Last earthquake is yesterday at 6, at 11:18.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is. Okay, this is actually kind of awkward right now, because the logic is
because we are going to wait.
because the logic is kind of different. I just realized that the logic is kind of different. Yeah. It only check if the gempa data is, yeah, earthquake data is changed, but not if it's near the same exact time. So yeah, I'm going to change that. Actually, I'm just going to, trigger it if it's the correct time or something. Okay, yeah, it kind of triggered on time, but I'm still going to add the backup code just in case. Yeah, like there's a case where the user is basically just cannot access the worker is down for some reason, but then what? Oh, the block. Yeah. I think I have solved it. Alright, it's to prevent for that case. Okay, so that should. Okay, I think that is fixed enough. I think. Yeah, because of the duration, the because of the absolute duration here, the earthquake will trigger. But now to think of it, it actually depends on, yeah. Okay, at second
When the
thought,
earthquake is actually happening.
yeah, the previous one works fine.
Mhm.
The only real way to actually debug this is actually by simulating the actual endpoint. So I will do that. I will actually do that actually.
Wait, is that
Yeah.
okay?
Well, we just need to simulate the output of the worker, not the BMKG data, so we're safe. Yeah, okay, let me check. Yeah, I'm actually okay. What I feared is actually happening. I'm coding in Nano right now.
Okay. What? Are you okay? Oh, you are recording the endpoint simulation right now.
Yeah, it's the simple one. So why I did this.
Oh, all right.
Okay, let's change it to the mock URL here. Yeah, this is actually started to become quite cursed in the regards of what is actually happening on stream right now.
Yes. That's why I was thinking, oh god, maybe we actually need to make it as actually a two sessioner because it's
We might have angered the BMKG gods.
we might have been. We're just actually taking their data every a few moments. That's a bit. BMW, what are you doing? That's very sus though. the fact that they are actually doing that.
Okay, yeah, okay. Try to mock the yeah. There's name mock server because we're actually just making a simulation of the endpoint that is actually being used. So I'm trying here. I'm basically just waiting on the time to pass. It's fun debugging time.
Yay!
Apparently not yet for some reason.
Well, we are waiting. We are waiting uh, for for the simulation to actually trigger. I really wish we actually have the same kind of data
Okay, yeah,
outputs.
yeah. Okay, so the test data just come in here, so
Yes.
yeah, it's kind of fun there. So, okay, let's. Okay, the first warning has already triggered,
Oh, there you go.
but yeah, I will need to actually test with the changing the endpoint to make sure it actually triggers when the earthquake data is updated.
Oh yeah. By the way, actually, there is an application that you can use. This one is for anyone who actually live in Japan. By the way. Well, not I thought actually you can actually also use it outside of Japan. I'm actually using it right now. It's an app called G-Quake. I think it's already known quite well at this point because this application actually shows all of the station. In this term, station means actually seismograph points in Japan. So you will see actually what time is it? It's 5 to 12, so around 1 a.m. in Japan, right? You people say it, right? Japan.
Okay, I cannot believe that I have to count time for debugging.
Yeah.
It's literally the waiting game right now. Look, okay, yeah, it's literally the waiting game right now.
We're literally waiting for the earthquake actually happening, isn't it? To see if the trigger.
Not like that, but actually waiting for the time to pass.
Uh-huh.
Remember, I'm using a simulated endpoint that I sometimes change.
Right. Uh-huh. So we are right now. It's literally waiting for the data to actually coming in.
Yes, and I'm actually checking if I have a distorted conception of 30 seconds now, so I actually have to lock the seconds pass.
Oh. Okay, so yeah.
Okay, do I have to actually? Okay, do I have to? Oh, I just realized my mistake.
What is it?
I forgot for the set time hot in the fetch data. I forgot to put it after the.
Huh?
I basically forgot to do the same time out, the set time out also for the other one. So that's fun.
Oh no.
Okay, there's actually a warning there. Okay, let me ninja edit that one. Yeah.
Does that mean a quick edit or something?
Yeah, really quick edit because I have to edit it in 30 seconds before the next event fires.
Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, everyone who's still watching and including you, Dami, you should actually drink. Have you even drink all this time?
Dream not really often, but it's usually pretty. If I do dream, it's a pretty wacky one.
I mean drink, not dream. I'm sorry.
Oh, drink.
Minom.
Oh, minimum. Yeah, I thought you're talking about dream, but yeah.
Dreams, yeah.
Drink. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, water. I think. Yeah. It's if it's water, yeah. But if it's like something that actually has alcohol, I really don't drink those because yeah, I only do once, and it's only like 2 years ago when yeah.
Well, I don't know. I forgot how many times I drink alcoholic things, but it's been ages actually because I think last time I actually drink alcohol stuff is actually when I was still in college. So I'm having a tea right now.
Yeah, I also that one time I drink like 3 years ago. It's also beer because yeah.
Nice.
But I actually kind of okay yeah. So yeah, so now the simulated endpoint works. I cannot believe I have to search for Node.js server tutorial again. Yeah, but yeah, it works. Yeah, when the data is updated, it works. So we have our confirmation that it actually worked.
I just see the warning in the stream, and it was like,
Yes, that's the simulated one.
yeah. Oh my, why did the kilometer actually in the bottom? That's weird.
Yeah, okay. Yep. If the endpoint changes, the browser changes too. So yeah, that's already a really nice test of the system. Okay, this is actually great now. It works, and just let's hope. The only thing we can do now is just to hope that it works in production.
Yeah, and also let's just hope that we are not angry at the BMKG gods.
Yeah, let's hope we do not anger the BMKG gods, and it suddenly just the endpoint just does not work, because that will be, yeah, that would be quite
That would be
frustrating.
outrageous. Yeah. I mean, the data is available outside, you know.
Let's update. Yeah, let's actually use the actual endpoint now that the simulated one works. That yes, we can notify automatically of earthquakes.
So everyone, now you can actually just use this overlay, put it on top on every of your scene, and then when things happen, you know, you can there will be notification. And here's the thing, though, I really wish the tone is actually not really that triggering, because that's actually one thing that I'm really afraid of, because you know, everyone, usually people watching streamers is using headphones. That's why I'm actually a little bit afraid that the audio is a little bit too loud, but hopefully it was not. At least it was going to be good enough to notify everyone pretty much. Design-wise, I think that's actually pretty much good enough. I don't really think we need to actually change a lot more until will be tsunami warning. If we're actually going to work on tsunami warning, which is hatefully, when I was all reading the XML version of the earthquake data, the one where it's actually supposed to be about tsunami is actually filled with something else, not about tsunami. That's
Gempa,
very
it's the string one, right? Gempa ini dirasakan untuk diteruskan pada masyarakat.
That's bloody obvious, isn't it? We are doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there is not actually we cannot actually test the tsunami warning because we don't freaking know what the data is supposed to look like for a tsunami.
Yeah, that was the thing.
And you know, BMKG does not even provide the example data. They just give the simple description of the data, and then that's it. Also, the XML data is actually exactly the same as the
JSON data.
as the JSON data. So yeah, it's not that. Yeah, it doesn't matter that much. Yeah. And again, why did you put string on the potency here, and then gempa ini dirasakan atau diteruskan pada masyarakat.
Meanwhile, on the website itself, data.bmkg.co.id/gempa bumi, they said potensi actually contains data for tsunami atau tidak dan status gempa dirasakan.
Yeah, and they actually did not provide. The important one is they did not provide the examples.
Yeah. They did not actually at all.
So we don't actually know what if a tsunami looks like, and literally we have to just just monitor the news in lifetime, and then when BMKG alert comes and then tsunami comes. Yeah, we
We don't
actually
have.
we actually have to wait for a tsunami to debug the tsunami
Yeah.
warning, which is
A bit concerning.
that is that is concerning, to put it mildly. It's concerning.
Yeah.
That have needing a real life tsunami to test the tsunami warning. It's like it's literally testing in production, but the
Yeah.
production is literally, nature is the production. Oh my god, the earth
That's the
is the
thing.
production system. Imagine that. Yeah.
So yeah.
We have to thank the Indonesian government for offering
Yeah.
us just this data.
Yeah. At least we have a little bit of data, to be honest. Because yeah, BMKG, if you're watching it, tolonglah.
Ya, buat BMKG, tolong kasih data yang lebih machine readable, yang kayak tsunami false atau true, potensi tsunami false atau true, dirasakan false atau true gitulah.
At least from
Don't use
that.
strings for data that is supposed to be machine readable. Yeah, I think that's a really basic one for API
Yeah.
design. Yeah, make sure it's machine readable, not like you return the same exact string that you use for your website.
I don't think they actually even like. I'm going to start up saying it in Indonesian. Kayaknya mereka dulunya nggak niat bikin API sih.
API-nya cuma buat website, iya. Yeah. Oh, it's only for it's like they only think of the website. And yeah, there are multiple instances where all I can say is terima kasih pemerintah Indonesia, and I'm not going to disclose every single one of them, because one of them is okay. I'm not going to talk further about that. The
Awas mata.
the noodle incident, where when it comes to researching this, we won't talk about that.
I think not right now, even though we already know they actually solved it, but not right now. It's a bit too quick for us to talk about it. Maybe someday when we actually meet again, we are going to talk. We are going to have a talk about it.
Yeah.
Because bloody hell.
For now, I will.
Something.
Yeah. For now, I will just refer to it as the noodle incident. For now, the noodle incident when researching the information here.
For this very overlay, we actually need to do research quite a lot behind the scenes of the API.
Yeah.
And we found something that we shouldn't found in a nutshell, and pretty much it.
Yeah.
We-
It's fortunately, as Ame said, it's solved already, but still,
Wow, that's quite
that's
astounding.
that's bad, real bad. I can only say that.
For a legal reason, I can't actually say anything more than bloody hell. How did that even happen?
Yeah. Yeah, it's that bad.
It's really bad for that. So yeah.
Yeah, but enough with the Let's stop the talk here, or else we might get yeah.
People.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh my god.
We might get ourselves in danger, especially with the Okay, so so I think this is pretty much the basics are pretty much done. So okay, let me close the VS Code here. Let's do a little clap for the work that we have done here. We have done the overlay here, so please clap to Ame. Yeah.
Yes.
Clapping sound effect here. So we actually we did it. We did we did the we actually did the overlay here with with serverless technology. The code is now complete, but now the only thing remaining is to actually publish this thing. So yeah, this is where Netlify comes to the rescue. I hope nothing of Okay, Netlify. This is a serverless platform to build, deploy, and collaborate on web apps. So yeah, I will log in and then I will move the window first because sensitive data.
Yeah, sensitive information. No one should watch that. You guys have seen enough of sensitive data.
Yeah, you guys already have seen enough, and so yeah, I already endangered myself enough here. Yeah, first of all, forgetting to clear the console before moving to the display, and the second, thank you Cloudflare for revealing my account ID. I thank you so much. Yeah, Cloudflare revealing the account ID is I should have reviewed the command line before streaming because my bad, but my account ID is exposed there.
Anyway.
Okay, fortunately, changing anything requires a token. So at least my account is still safe. But still, having my account ID revealed on stream is not pleasant.
It's not fun. Yeah.
But let it be my lesson and don't do that, kids. Don't try this at home. Okay, now I'm actually going to publish it to the GitHub that I prepared previously.
Oh shoot, I should actually make a GitHub account now. It's not like I'm going to be active though.
Yeah, I actually frequently publish things on GitHub, and it's actually it's part of my identity at this point too. I link to my GitHub on my streams. If I should link to my GitHub on my streams, so there's that.
Oh wait, I already have GitHub.
I'm going to just add a simple with me before committing this.
Oh wait, it's not local. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I have GitHub now. I have no idea what I was supposed to do with it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. Just put the username on the collab chat, and I will add you to the to the organization I used to put stuff like
Alright.
this.
Eh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just going to just put URL in here.
Mm. And then
I'll add it later after actually publishing the thing. Yeah. Also, fortunately, yeah, it's fine having the account ID exposed there, but yeah, but the email address is just not. Yeah, the email address is kind of exposed, but yeah, it bears my name anyway. But yeah,
yeah.
thank you. Yeah, thank you. There's a token that needs to be set up.
Somehow change.
So yeah,
Oh, it's done.
I'm currently initial commit and public and building the application.
Alright.
And also, yeah, for the license, okay, yeah, the code license, I think because, yeah, as always, I'm going to put all of this as open source, and I'm going to just use the MIT license because it's simple enough, I think.
I mean, there is actually another license that's a lot more simpler actually. Did you
I,
know Big Web license?
what?
Big Web license.
Be well, okay, that's it.
Beer,
Huh? Beer.
beerware.
Okay, okay. Actually, just type that in the chat because I
Like,
kind of confused of how to, how to spell that.
this is the beerware license. I'm going to give you the GitHub link to it. It literally just say, author wrote this code. As long as you retain this notice, you can do whatever you want with this stuff. If we meet someday and you think this stuff is worth it, you can buy me a beer in return.
Oh my god, that one. But yeah, I am actually just going
MIT.
to stick with the proven
MIT
ones,
license.
the ones that
Yeah.
actually, yeah,
Legally binding. Yeah, MIT is actually legally binding than that one.
the ones that is actually like commonly used. So yeah, MIT that is. But if you want to thank the yeah to thank yeah, if you actually want to thank the creators of the of Stream Overlay, which is the two of us. So yeah, please do support. Yeah, please do support us to the links. Okay. Oh, okay. I actually forgot to greet here, but I will do that. Yeah, malam dami. Oh, sorry for replying only just now, but yeah. Hello, Rune Carter. Yeah, it's actually pretty late night now, and I'm. This is a very wild, very cursed. This is a very wild, very cursed coding stream right now because yeah, debugging is really fun, and this is probably the longest stream I've done so far. That yeah, yeah. Selamat malam. Yeah, I actually forgot that there's someone. Yeah, there's actually someone that there's someone who just greeted there. So yeah.
Oh, hello, Rune. Yeah, both of us actually kind of. It's pretty late in the night already, and we are actually. No, well, not we. Actually, Dami is actually debugging for quite a lot of things already. So, you know, there is that. But yeah, at this point, we are actually finished making the earthquake alert stream overlay, which hopefully everyone will going to start using. And hopefully we can actually help inform everyone when there's an earthquake and things like that, because let's face it, it's quite an important thing to know.
Also, yeah, you have your name in the copyright here.
Oh dear.
Yeah, yeah. There's the name of both of us in the copyright, and yeah, this is actually like imagine two VTubers just publishing a piece of software like this.
Oh, my name is Amelia Von Wolfenland. You don't have to put Von Wolfenland. Make it easy.
Okay, Evan Lit. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Elven. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I kind of forgot that there's no formatter for plain text file installed. I love it. Yeah, I love that when out of habit I just formatted the plain text license. Yeah.
I think it's actually better to keep it in plain text just because not everything can open.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of I love my muscle memory and because I love my muscle memory on how I always press format.
Yes.
And forgot this is plain text. I loved it.
Oh, you are using Markdown, didn't you?
No, this is a plain text license file, so
yeah.
I don't need Markdown. The actual one that I need Markdown is the README, and that is pretty much done. Let me actually publish this first, actually.
We are almost done. No, we are actually done. What the heck?
Also, my username on my computers are actually like named after anime characters, so yeah, anime or game characters, so yeah, yeah, if I ever play Doki Doki Literature Club again, yeah, I won't be fooled.
Wait, your name is Monica in there?
No, no, my username
Oh.
is, yeah, my username is, yeah, you know when DDLC just get the username of the actual computer running the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, my username is literally Yuika. And then yeah,
Great.
I'm
The rest is history.
the rest is history. And I actually remember someone like, yeah, oh, hello Asus. Yeah, yeah, that is actually like that is legit the funniest thing that I've seen of the the user gimmick back there. Yeah, just calling the user like Asus. Asus. I think Asus and then the model name, and I love hard that at that one.
Yeah, that would be really silly, isn't it? Just imagine when you are actually going, playing DDL and Monica just say, "Hello, Pedikun," which I was like, "What? That's my husband's name," which is actually my username here.
Yeah, yeah. Also, okay, why the authentication just goes to the stream window, stream display instead of yeah,
one that
the
you
window where. Okay, I'm actually going to. Yes, thank you.
It is what it is.
Yeah, thankfully I don't have to copy my password on stream because I have a password manager. But yeah, still.
Still, still me too. Actually, I also use password manager because no one should actually remember password. It's just not safe. Well, not it's not safe. It's more like
Okay, yeah. Okay, the thing is actually live right now, so yeah, hooray, I guess.
wait, is it?
Yeah, I just need to update the access origin
Mm-hmm.
to allow the Netlify app to get the earthquake data, and that's it.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't expect we're going to finish in one go like this, but well, here we go. We are actually done.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, you did not expect this to be completed in one go because yeah, I actually see this as simple enough to be developed in one
Finish in
sitting.
one.
Hence me doing a technology dive stream because if this takes like more than 1 day, then I will be putting it not in here but in the other series. You know, the one with yeah, actual long-term project that yeah, the progress bar stream. That's the one that I will do this, but because I think it's simple enough to be implemented in one stream, I did it in this. I did it in 1 day here in a regular stream. So there's that.
Yeah, wow, it is still interesting though that the fact how the idea actually realized for me, because I have always been having this kind of idea for, oh wow, I don't know, it's been for quite some time actually about it, because yeah. Oh, here's the thing though, Davi. Actually, I was about to say, here's the thing. When there's an earthquake in Java Island, usually the BMKG server, not the Litbang, by the way, not the Litbang server, but BMKG servers actually usually going down.
Oh, what?
So there is that.
Okay, yeah.
Hopefully, it's not that. That's not actually happening. Hopefully.
Oh well, I'm going to yeah just use this or just make it open. I don't know. For now, I'll just use the yeah the Netlify, and then for debugging, just use the yeah just basically just simulate the endpoint for debugging. So yeah, we'll be fine with this origin. So let's go. Okay, yeah, the production is the production is actually live right now. So yay.
Hey. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so yeah, basically that's it.
That's pretty much it. We are done.
Yeah, so yeah. Okay, yeah, so I want to thank you very much, Ame, for joining me in this stream, and yeah, this
Thank you for the.
yeah, this whole stream would not have happened without their idea. So yeah, please thank them and do follow them. Yeah, but yeah, I'm also going to do yeah the usual announcement for my stream here. So yeah. So yeah, my next content is actually a blog post after this. Like tomorrow there should be a new blog post about the next music highlights iteration. And then the stream after that I'll be playing some games. Like the next stream after this will be Alchemy Stars, so you know I actually have come to like Vice after playing it for some time, but yeah, this is the first time I will be streaming this. yeah, streaming this game. So yeah, let's see the what the Alchemy Stars stream will bring us. But yeah, yeah. But for now, okay, I think I can safely end the stream now, and then after that, I will announce some more details about about the program. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching the stream. Yeah, and yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty late in the night anyway. So yeah, I guess
Yeah.
we are done.
Yeah, we are. We are done anyway. So yeah,
Yeah.
have a nice day, everyone. And yeah, Ame, do you have any closing words?
Well, closing words will be please use this overlay because it will be very important for everyone who lives here in Indonesia because I'm going to say it, we don't have any earthquake warning here. Please. And we need to have one. So I'm glad that we are actually doing this because at least there is one right now.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, please use this because yeah, this may save lives. This yeah, this offline may save lives. We don't know what this will bring us, but yeah, I hope that this overlay will be useful to all streamers in Indonesia. But yeah, I'm ending the stream right now, so yeah, thank you everyone.